Good morning! Ang high ng energy. Good morning! There you go. Itong talagang vlog na to is paglilista ng lahat ng mga lapses ko in life. Charot. Galing siya. Good morning! Ang high ng energy na good morning! Yeah, anyways, habaan natin konti. Good morning. It's a Sunday and time check 2 p.m. or 2 p.m.ish, something like that. Sobrang tanghali ng gising, hinapon ng gising. Whole day rin kasi ako natulog yesterday, so sobrang late ko na natulog kanina. So, today, I'm just going to clean. I decided to. Kasi dami kong tutupiin. Dami kong mga clothes na hindi pa natutupi. Kasi I was so busy the past weeks. So nakatambak lang sila pag nilalaban ko. So magtutupi tayo habang nagwo-watch ng something sa Netflix or YouTube whatsoever. Tapos, if I still have time, next agenda is to do admin stuff dito sa bahay, like paying bills, etc. Tapos hopefully, Flash and I can go out later. Sana may time pa tayo. Kasi gusto ko sa kanya ipakita yung Christmas lights sa estancia. The original plan is to jog or walk with Flashy ng morning. Kaso nga tanghali na ako nagising. Tapos after that, we're going to have breakfast somewhere there sa area. Ayun, failed. So, sabi ko, sige, let's try ng evening later. If hindi ko siya magagawa, let's try again tomorrow. But yeah, that's it for now. I'll prepare breakfast first and for Flashy as well. I'll see you later. Bye! Gusto ko lang sabihin na ang dami ko na namang pimples. See? Kakapuyat ko yun eh. Kasalanan ko rin yan eh. Kaya kasalanan ko yan. Okay, yun lang. Bye. I'm going sa Convini to buy vegetables kasi na-realize ko meron pa pala akong daing na bangus. And yeah, kasi pag-partner na vegetable like talong, may kangkong pa ako and okra. Tapos, ayun, meron pa kasi akong buro na kanin. Alam niyo ba yun, yung big one? Later, papakita ko. So, ayun lang. Let's go. Guys, may talong. Kunin natin yun. Ang liit naman. Dalawa. Tapos, okra. Kinin. Kuha tayo isang sibuyas. Kasi, parang gusto ko ng salted egg, tsaka kamatis. Dalawa. Tapos salted egg. Dalawa. Let's go back dahil naghihintay si Flashy. Calm down, calm down. So, this is the buro. Nilagay ko siya sa freezer kasi niluto ko na siya and tinimplahan para longer yung shelf life niya since may kamatis na siya. And, ibangus. Ang tagal niya sa freezer. But yeah, let's cook it. Share ko lang. I'm back to using the regular coffee machine kasi nasira yung Nespresso ko nung nag-electricity maintenance dito. Tapos ayun, i-pick up siya dapat ni Nespresso pero kasi hindi pa ako nakakapag-message for the schedule. Kasalanan ko again. Ayun. Ito talagang weird nito is paglilista ng lahat ng mga lapses ko in life. Charot. By the way, I'm using Mr. Mosen.
I know it's been too long to just pick up the phone, but I can't help but feeling so lonely. Yeah. On a Friday night, yeah. So things move on just like they did before. But sometimes I still miss the touch of your hands. Oh, 'cause I can't get you out of my head. Get you on my mind. Get you on my mind tonight. And I can't get you out. Can't get you out this time. No. Even if it's over, I know.
Ayan, so, ito yung leftover ko na rice. Iinit ko siya. Tapos, meron pa akong garlic chives. Hahaluan natin ng garlic chives. Then, we're going to boil the okra. Then, fry the talong. Tapos, meron pa akong konting kangkong. Ilalaga din natin siya. Let's go. Look at that. Ito yung rice na rinihit ko sa microwave na linagyan natin ng garlic chives. Lagyan natin ng konting olive oil. Konti lang. And then, mix. Short grain to na Japanese rice. So, kapag Japanese rice, avoid na i-press para hindi madurog yung rice kasi mas masarap siya ng buo-buo. See? Ganyan na magiging itsura niya. Pwede rin onion chives yung ilagay nyo. Garlic chives yung nilagay ko kasi wala na akong onion chives. Pero it tastes good. Tapos kanina, hindi ko napansin na hindi ko pala na-on yung video nung fina-fry ko yung talong and nung nilaga ko tong kangkong. But yeah, that is how it looks. Give me yung.
애써 웃음 짓고 있지만 다 알아 금방이라도 넌 울 듯해 문득 모든 게
Meron akong sparkling water. So, gagawa tayo ng drink. So, first ice. Meron akong concentrated na ginger tea. Ayan siya. So, that's ginger, honey, and calamansi. Let's just put it here. Adjust nyo na lang. Depende sa how sweet you want it or how strong you want yung taste niya. Then, add lang sparkling water. And actually, that's it. It's very easy. Then, mag-add tayo ng milk leaves since meron pa ako. Sayang naman. Usually, nilalagay nila like 2 to 3 pieces lang for decorative lang purposes. Pero since I love it nga, pinahusan ko na siya ng mint leaves. And there we go.
문득 상처가 지독하게 하려올 때면 나를 찾아요 행여나 그대 필요 속에 날 찾아도 여기서 항상 기다릴게 내 모든 걸 내게 줄게 문득 모든 게 서럽게 느껴진다면 내게 기대어 행여나 그대 외로움에 날 찾아도 같은 곳에서 Somebody said let go, let go, let go. I think I might be overthinking it. My heart is still stuck, it shows, it shows, it shows. Yeah. Somebody help me get over it. I keep my eyes on the sun. And when the moon shines bright, I will give it all. Yeah, I know it is time. 'Cause I've seen it all before. sometimes it shows that I need you here to carry on. I keep my eyes on the sun. Yeah, and when the moon shines brighter, I won't give it no. Yeah, I know it is time, 'cause I've seen it all before. It all passed me, it all passed me, it all passed me. Now I know I will get through it. Yeah, I know 'cause I've been through it. Yeah, and I've seen it all. It all passed me. It all passed me.
Oh no. Oh baby, he's small. So, it's 9 o'clock p.m. And, diba, supposedly, I'm just going to eat the leftovers kanina. Pero, yun, kakapanood ko ng Fresh of the Sea. Nag-crave ako ng John. So, bumili ako ng beef. And then, ng pork. Gagawin ko siyang John. Tapos ito, fry ko rin. This is enoki. Tapos, marami pa akong tirang garlic chives. So, let's go. Unahin natin gawin yung butter. Hello, Maya. Tapos, ayaw ko siya na masyadong thick. Kasi kapag masyado siyang mahirap, ipa-crispy. So, kailangan manipis lang siya. Dinouble check ko kung talaga bang wala akong cornstarch. So, talagang wala akong cornstarch. Lagyan natin ng konting magic syrup. Pampasarap siya. Matamad na kasi ako magtimpla. Lagyan natin ng konting salt and pepper. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng water. Ay, sorry. So, ito na yung gagamitin natin for everything. Nice. We want yung consistency na medyo watery siya, pero hindi siya thick. Pero hindi rin naman siya ganyan ka-watery. Parang pasira na yung binigay sa akin na pero pwede pa. Tanggalin na lang natin itong mga ihalo natin sa butter para sa beef mamaya. nakalatag lang siya na very manipis. Now for the beef and pork. Beef naman. And there you go. Yung dipping sauce ko, soy sauce lang siya with lemon and konting sugar. Then this is samjang with sesame oil. Tapos naglagay na rin ako ng cherry tomatoes.
Think I might be over my troubles since you came around. Something struck me. Oh, lately I've been caught up in my mind. Oh, it's not hard to see. I was feeling that you saw right through it all.
Medyo tinatamad na ako. So that is the situation. That's not even half of what I needed to fold. So marami pa talaga. I'm just going to try lang to finish that one. Tapos tomorrow is another day. I also know na I had dinner na. Pero gusto ko kasi na snacks habang nagpo-fold and nagwo-watch. So, I still have tumba. Tumba. It's 89 pesos. So, ayun, medyo may sabaw siya. Matutuyo pa yan mamaya-maya. Kasi, lalagyan ko pa siya ng cheese. Actually, kaya ko siya dinagdagan ng konting water. Dahil papatungan ko siya ng cheese sa ibabaw. Meron akong tira na sauce from the bulldog. Lalagyan ko na siya ng konting. Dahil feeling ko kaya ko pa yung anghang. Yan, okay na yan. Ayoko rin masyado matapang. Kasi tignan niyo yung kulay niyo. Sobrang spicy talaga ng bulldog. Gusto ko yung nagmi-midnight snack ako ng napaka-taas sa calories. Now, we put it sa microwave. Cover na. Para hindi tumalsik-talsik. There you go. Melted na yung cheese. Hindi lang siya halata. Pero tingnan nyo. See? Wow.
다행일지 몰라 사실 말야 내 목소리 들으면 갑자기 말문이 해주고 싶어서 이제는 그게 더 속 시원할 것 같아 발에 다주고 언제나 혼자서 걷는 길을 왜 괜히 쓸쓸해지는 건지 이건 사랑인 것 같아 널 발에 다주고 언제나 혼자서 걷는 길은 왜 괜히 쓸쓸해지는 건지 이건 사랑 맞아 아무리 생각해도 좋은 친구로 난 못 넘겠어 왜 달이 슬퍼 보이는 걸까 이건 사랑인 것 같아